guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So if you missed my tutorial on these boho braids, I will link it in the description box, as well as my boho twist that I just recently did. So these boho braids lasted me 2 weeks, you guys. This is obviously the first day, and then this is 2 weeks later. I am going to take you guys along my takedown and my wash day, just showing you how what it looks like taken down, and then how I go on to moisturize it and, just get my hair back nice, soft, and ready for another style. So as you guys can see, there are some curls that did have a lot of frizz, and then there are a bunch of curls that are still 100% intact. So I know a lot of people, like in the comments and things, were worried about tangling, but I did not get any tangling. All I really got was a little bit of frizz, and that is an easy fix. If I wanted to keep these in longer, I would just go over those frizzy areas with more product and it would be brand new. So if you were worried about that, I don't think you have to worry much, but everyone's hair is different. So I'm just going to go ahead and get on to this takedown. Now, I personally feel like I did medium-sized braids or sections, but since you split a braid into 3, it did kind of make the braid a little bit skinny, and I personally braided all the way to the ends. I know some people didn't. Next time I would not braid all the way to the end because it was a little hard for me to undo the end since it was so tiny. If I wasn't filming, I would have been able to use my rat tail, the pointy part, and that would have helped a lot, but it was a little hard to do that on camera where you guys could see, so I just used my nail. I will say this took a while to freaking take down, man. I think that's a con with this style. I will say I personally would recommend just doing the boho twist because not only is it quicker to install, but it's definitely going to be so much quicker to take down because you just have to take the 2 strands and separate them. But that's just my opinion. Of course, do what works for you and which style you like best. But once I get up to the root and I'm left with those 3 strands, I'm going to separate them about 2 to 3 times, just so that when I do go in the shower and, begin my wash day, I don't have clumps of hair, and the water and product and etc. can easily just flow through my hair. So you guys, I started taking these down at 10:42 a.m. and I did not get done until 12:13 p.m. Like, no breaks. This took me a minute to take down, but this is my hair completely unraveled and separated. So if you were wanting to rock the braid out after you take the braids out, this is at least what my hair is looking like. Now, I definitely feel like I could have picked this, did my edges, and rocked this. It still looks pretty good to me, but like I said, I was going on vacation and I wanted to style, so I'm gonna get on to the next products. So I am first going to go in with my Goddess Curls Divine Hair Elixir and apply this into my scalp. So I did this just because I wanted to, moisturize my scalp and also give myself a nice scalp massage, but I wanted my oil to kind of loosen up any like flakage or etc. that I may have had, because I was scratching in my head a little bit. So that is what that is for. My elixir does also help promote hair growth, so I'm just going to work that on in. And if you guys haven't gotten your bottle, make sure you support your girl. Go to www.goddessscurls.com. I will have the link in the description box. Now I'm going to be using the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve and the Olaplex No. 3 on my hair, starting with the Curlsmith, and then I will add some of the Olaplex No. 3. If you guys didn't know, these are, well, the Curlsmith is a protein treatment and the Olaplex No. 3 is a bond, what is it? It's for bond maintenance. So basically both of these help repair your hair bonds, help to strengthen your hair, help with breakage, and just help overall make your hair stronger. So this is definitely optional. If you guys watch any of my videos, I've talked about how I do like to incorporate protein treatments, and it was time for me to do one because it had been months. Even though my hair is not unhealthy or damaged, I do this just to ensure that my hair remains strong, you know, and I can continue growing my hair nice and long, help with length retention, etc. So I'm just applying a nice generous amount of these products and working it into my hair with my fingers. I am going to get some shed hair all throughout this video, so I will keep you posted on how much hair that I lose. But if you are someone who has extremely damaged hair, whether it's heat, color, you know, etc., or just really dry, brittle hair, definitely try these products out. I will put them down below. So this is the hair that I got just from adding the product and running my fingers through my hair. And then after I let it sit on my hair, this is what my hair is looking like. But I am going to rinse my hair now so I can begin the wash process. And oh my god, I know I'm going to love this wash day because my head was like in need of some shampoo. So I have rinsed off those bonding treatments, which are supposed to be used before you shampoo your hair. So my hair was left nice, soft, curls popping, and yeah, now I am just going to shampoo using this Joico Defy Damage Protective Shampoo. It's for bond strengthening and color longevity. This smells amazing, you guys. It smells like perfume or something. Super good. And although my hair is not color treated, the bond strengthening just really goes along with this wash day, making sure my hair is nice, strengthened, you know, protected. So after a good 2 weeks, my scalp is itching. It has some flakes, some product buildup. I love a shampoo that is a 2-in-1 that not only cleanses the hair and scalp really well, but does not completely strip it and leave it dry, brittle, and hard to, you know, manage afterwards. So that's exactly what this does. It leaves your hair super moisturized and soft, but at the same time nice, clean, refreshed. So that's why I really love this. It does come in a smaller bottle if you don't want this 1 liter, but yeah, this is definitely, or it has been, one of my favorite shampoos recently. Daddy's got it right here. Daddy's got it right here. About time for you to get it started.
Now, last but not least, I am going to use the Camille Rose Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask, and it's made with cocoa and mango butter. So this used to be a holy grail years ago, you guys. Like, I don't know, if you've been watching me for a while, maybe you remember, but yeah, this used to be my go-to. It's so nice, thick and creamy, super hydrating and moisturizing, has some great ingredients that are also going to help with moisture and strengthening the hair. So I'm just working this onto my strands. You can see how easily my curls just start to spring up. It's easy to detangle. It smells like mint chocolate chip, smells amazing. So yeah, I just put a generous amount of this, detangled, and then I let it sit on my hair while I showered and all that. It only says to leave on for 10 minutes, so this is a nice quick deep conditioner that you can use. So I'm gonna let this sit, and then I think that's the end of the video, y'all. So good in a long time. Think that I should, it's about time. But all I can't mind is my best life, best life, best life. I haven't felt good in a long time. So this is the amount of shed hair that I got. I know to some of y'all it probably doesn't look like a lot, but typically I probably only shed like a third of this on a regular wash day. So for 2 weeks, this is a nice amount of little hair, but it makes sense. My hair was away and our hair sheds every day. So I am now just going to cover my hair up with my plastic cap, let it sit like I told y'all, and then I'll rinse it off, and my hair will be just left soft, manageable, and ready to be styled. So yeah, this is my routine of bringing my hair back to life. I wouldn't always do a bonding or protein treatment if I didn't feel like I needed one, because you don't need to do them that often. At least I don't. I would just opt for a regular like pre-poo. So a pre-poo product or a conditioner and oil, and then continue on with the shampoo and deep conditioner. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about my quick routine. I try to keep everything as simple as I can. Y'all know that. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video.